Let us perform an activity now. For this activity, we would require a rubber cork, beaker, 2 nails, 6-volt battery, bulb, glucose solution, alcohol solution, hydrochloric acid solution, sulfuric acid solution and sodium hydroxide solution. So what do we need to do is first place the nails on the rubber cork, put it in a beaker and then we connect the nails with the 2 terminals of a battery through a bulb and a switch. Next we pour some hydrochloric acid solution, dilute hydrochloric acid solution in the beaker and we put on the switch. What do we observe? We observe that the bulb glows. So with dilute hydrochloric acid, the bulb glows. Why does it happen? It happens because hydrochloric acid, it dissociates or it forms ions, that is H plus ions and Cl minus ions in solution. Now these ions, they carry electricity and hence the bulb glows. Over here, the H plus ion acts as the cation or the positively charged ion and the Cl minus ion acts as the anion, that is the negatively charged ion, and these ions, they conduct electricity and make the bulb glow. Similarly, for sulfuric acid, if we pour sulfuric acid, once again we will see that the bulb glows. This is because sulfuric acid also dissociates to form H plus ions and SO4 2 minus, that is sulfate ion. So this is the hydrogen ion positively charged and this is the sulfate ion negatively charged, and these ions conduct electricity. Now what will happen in the case of glucose solution? We will see that the bulb does not glow. So as you can see, the bulb is not glowing. This is because glucose does not dissociate to form ions. Hence there will be no conduction of electricity and the bulb will not glow. Similarly, for alcohol solution, alcohol does not form any ions. It does not dissociate to form H plus or any other ion. So the bulb will not glow. So can you answer this question now? The bulb glows in alcohol solution. Is it true or false? Well, it is false because as we just saw, the alcohol solution does not form ions and the bulb does not glow. So what we have seen is acids produce H plus ions in solution. So they dissociate to give H plus ions and these ions are responsible for the acidic properties. We have already seen that acids have some common properties. These properties are because they release H plus ions in solution and H plus ions all behave in the same manner. That is why all acids, they behave more or less in a similar manner in chemical reactions. Now what about sodium hydroxide solution? Sodium hydroxide is NaOH, which is a base. What will happen in the case of sodium hydroxide? As you can see here, even sodium hydroxide dissociates to give ions. Na plus ion, that is the sodium ion, and OH minus ion, which is the hydroxide ion. And in this case, these ions conduct electricity and make the bulb glow. So the bulb glows. So in the case of sodium hydroxide as well, the bulb glows. So we see that acids and bases, they dissociate to form ions in a solution and hence conduct electricity. Moreover, acids form H plus ions in solution and bases or alkalis form OH minus ions in solution, which are responsible for their properties.